This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So what I'm about to show you here is how I make about $2,900 per day in Bitcoin automatically. Doesn't require any work. It only takes 4 websites. Okay, 4 websites will basically bring you in about $2,000 a day. Listen, imagine quitting your job. Imagine never ever working, never ever having a boss, and be able to travel the world and do what you want by using this method. Now listen, hey, listen, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you find any value, smash the like button right now as well. I'm going to show you so much proof that now I'm going to log into my BlockFi account. Now listen, step 1, you must have a BlockFi account. So please sign up for that right now. But I want to be very transparent with you right now. So let me go ahead and log in. Let me show you the Bitcoin that I've acquired using this method here. And I've made it on autopilot every single day here. Check it out. Okay. As you can see in the BlockFi account here, let's log in. So you guys can see my active account, over 2,000 every single day. And right now I got up to, let me see how much money here. Wow, $21,000. And you can see I got $460 in interest. So it means I'm making money every single day from Bitcoin on autopilot. I'm not doing much of anything. It's like sitting there. And these 4 websites are doing it. And I'm going to give you the 4 websites right now, which you need to open up right now as you're listening to my voice to the very end of this video. But listen, I want everybody right now to comment below. I can do this. Before I get started, you got to believe that you can do this. You can't be skeptic and be like, I don't know if this is going to work. You got to have a positive mindset and have an expectation that it will work, because it does. Because I'm doing it right now. I'm showing you here on YouTube. I appreciate you guys subbing the channel, because I'm always creating videos for you to make money online. So smash the like button, big head, and let's go. So the site here that you probably don't know about is called Faucet Pay. That's site number 1. Open it up. FaucetPay.io, and I'll put a link below description. I'll put a link right in the description below to these sites here, so you know what you need to do. And it's basically a wallet. This is where all your money is going to flow into. So all you need to do is go to sign up. It's very easy. Username, email address, password. It's worldwide, by the way, and you're done there. Okay, the next site you need to go to is Express Crypto here. Okay, it's another mini wallet in the site that we're going to be using to mine the Bitcoin. It's basically going to be flowing into here like basically every minute, every hour once we set it up. So you just go to sign up here. Very simple. Username, whatever your username is. Maybe your username is Big Head. I'm not sure. Smash the like button if your name is Big Head. It probably is. I don't know. Listen, username, email address, password there. You're not a robot. Then you got that account. Okay, so easy so far, right? But that's what you need to do so far. You get yourself a BlockFi account. Okay, get yourself a FaucetPay.io and ExpressCrypto.io. Okay, then what you want to do lastly is go to autofaucet.dutchycorp.space. Okay, does that make sense? Let me say it again, right? I'll put it in the link below. It gives you all the information in the description below, okay? But let me go ahead and log in so you guys can see how this all works. It's really easy. Very simple here. See, look at that. Log in. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Okay? And yeah, it's just pretty easy here. Then you see what it says, Express Crypto mode. You want to make sure you select that as your mode. Don't choose balance mode. Faucet Pay mode is going to be for the other side, but Express Crypto mode is going to be for, right, the Express wallet that you open up. Because listen, you're going to be bringing in Bitcoin on both crypto wallets here. One in the Faucet Pay wallet, okay? And one in the Express Crypto wallet, like every single hour, every single minute. And you can make $2,000, $3,000 a day. It's up to you, actually. You just set it up one time and this thing just works on autopilot here, okay? So listen, for the Faucet Pay, obviously, you click Faucet Pay mode here. You scroll down. I like to mine BTC, but as you can see here, you can do BCH, you can do Ethereum, whatever coin that you want, but I just focus on crypto, honestly. I click there, and then you type in what's in it for dinner, what is for dinner, and then you just hit start auto faucet. And what it does, it's just going to automatically start basically sending the crypto to the freaking wallet, like on autopilot for you. And you do the same thing for auto faucet, right? I mean for Express. You go to Express here. Now next, you got to make sure you hook up and connect your Express, okay? and your auto faucet accounts to the autofaucet.duchycorp.space account. It's very important. If you don't do that, you won't make any money. If you don't set this up right up, you won't make any money. I'm gonna be honest with you. So make sure, if you need to watch the video again, watch it again. But you need to make sure you connect both wallets up, because when you hit start auto faucet, basically it's just going to mine. It's mining the Bitcoin for you like every second of the day here. So you just go to Express Crypto mode here, go to BTC, type in what's in for dinner, whatever the captcha is, and hit start auto faucet, and it just starts coming automatically. Okay, now listen, everybody that's watching this can do this, okay, but I know some of you may be still kind of lost. I get it. Even though the links are in the description below, I've explained how it all works, the 4 websites that I use to basically do this amount of money so far. It's kind of a new account here that's in 1 month. Check it out. This is what I want to do, something really cool. If you want me to help you in this process, which means if you want me to kind of set it up for you using the software, something that's called CryptoPays. It's a brand new software that me and my team of developers have created that allow you basically everything I just showed you. With a click of a button, you can mine Bitcoin and Ethereum on autopilot. Seriously, it's a software. So instead of doing all these 4 websites, it's just one software. You plug in the valuables and you can make how much money you want to make, and you can basically mine crypto and Ethereum every single hour of the day. So you have to imagine it like this. Think about mining Bitcoin $100 per hour. And that happens when you sleep, okay? When you're on the toilet, when you're at work. $100 per hour is $2,400 a day. If that's what you want, I will leave a link below. Usually for me to do this for a person is about $1,000 per month to do it. But what I want to do is something special for the first 10 people. If you look in the description right under this video here, it'll say do it for me, CryptoPays. I'm going to give 10 people right now this month, $17 is yours. I know that sounds crazy, but I want everybody to have an opportunity to have the American dream, to understand that automation, artificial intelligence is real, that right now you should be making money. If you're not, you're doing something wrong. But in the description below, if you're one of the first 10 people, and if you want to change your life financially, the crypto world is insane right now. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be here forever. Get it. It would allow you to create the Bitcoin and mine it automatically every single hour, up to $100 per hour, a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on if you take action now or if you wait to take action now. $17, it is yours. We're going to do it for you with the software, so it's no work on your part. All you need to do is take action, click the link, grab it, and it all works. Hey, I love you guys so much. Much love. Thanks for subbing to the channel. Smash the like button if you see any value. Smash that like button. Look in the description below. Get CryptoPays. 10 people. If you're 10, then you get it for 17. If you're number 11, that means $1,000. And that means, well, you were just too late. You waited too long. So much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go.